As spring sports prepare for their season, the DGS girls soccer team has one big goal in mind: to win a conference championship. Senior Skylar Swanson talks about the team's main goal for this upcoming season.
This year on the girls soccer team, our main goal is to get a conference champ. We have had 29, and we're just trying to keep going strong with that.
Senior captain Ashley Monari talks about how the team has been preparing to achieve their goals this season.
We've been working really hard in running our fitness test, which is really hard for some of the girls, and we've just been running a lot and playing soccer, just getting to know everyone preseason. So it'll help us in the first few weeks before our game, where we don't have a lot of time before our first game. So getting to do this a month ahead of season is really beneficial, just getting all of our girls in shape and having us run and play together.
Molinari discusses the other goals she has for her team during her senior season.
So this is my senior year. In my sophomore year, we won a regional championship to DGN. Last year we came up short. We played a hard team in the regional finals. So leaving that game, knowing that we could have done better and win a regional championship, I have high hopes for my senior year, as I want to make my last run the best, because it's my last year playing. So getting a high seed, doing well in our season so that we can get a higher seed to not play such a good team in the regional final and hopefully win a sectional. I'm really excited about that and think that we could do really well.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, this is Aidan Meyer.